Should be good now. Excellent connection. Okay, perfect. We got it. All right, so 930, as we know, rips up higher, like I was calling it. Filling out 50% of the opening range gap. I wish I gotten that long, bro. I restarted stream. Yeah, I knew it. So like, now I'm just gonna look for a very quick trade here, low risk, right? Because price is already moving up fast, but I think it's just gonna wick into a one opportunity and it's gonna rip away. So maintain video to maintain smoothing. Huh. We should be good now. I just want to see how this Bissy would react. 12. Oh, I missed it. Let me see if it gets a little lower so I could catch it. No, I missed it. That's a shame. I missed the entry. If I lower a couple lots, I could catch it there.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm in position here for long. I lowered some lots, so it's a little bit less risk than I wanted it to be. But it's a good reaction. Just going to this high here. Is my stream better? Now it's better? Okay, nice. Everybody join the stream via edgeful. Edgeful's channel. I'm reading chat there. Please visit edgeful's channel. I see Zahid there. But we have a clean reaction on this long right away, as you can see. This is low risk, so I win this trade, it's only 500 bucks. But if I win this trade, I will only be about 200 bucks away from passing all my evals again. So then I'll be maxed out on Top Step finally. Right now I only have 3. And then I'll have 5. Okay, that's not the greatest reaction. Good morning, name unknown. Remember, this is only like $100 risk. So whatever happens, I'm okay with. I'm actually might drag my stop to just under consequent encroachment. So it's even lower. $75 risk. The stop loss is at the low of the fair value gap. Again, I'm not bearish. I want to see price continue above all-time highs. Nvidia's back up in the positives. Tesla's up 1.7%. This company has been flying recently. Oh, no, it hasn't. I swear every time I look over. Well, up 9%. Wow. But Nvidia is back up. I just tweeted it, Keith. If you go and you click live now, the link should send you to edgeful, or just type in your search edgeful. Okay, so we're still sitting relatively higher. Ideally, I want to see price just rip up from here, because I took this trade anticipating that it's not going to offer any other positions to get into long. It's just going to continue to rip, but you could say like this is the last one. I just want to see price rip towards buy side liquidity here. If it's not going to do that, it's probably not going to win the trade. Ideally, I want to put my stop to break even here, just because it shouldn't go down there, which is what I'm going to do. Price moving so fast. Dude, get used to Zahid, because now price is going to move really fast these next 4 years. Zahid. Long-term portfolio just crushing it? Yeah. So we're just going to rip up higher here, I'm pretty sure. I think price is just chopping right now to the upside. That's why I dragged my stop loss to break even. Video up 0.4. Tesla up 2.4% today. This thing is ripping, and I'm so glad I'm part of it. I should have put more money in it, but like, let me check my portfolio. Hey, we broke another digit, man. Let's go. Let's go. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Love it. I'm loving it, man. Anyways, price does not look like it wants to continue up higher here, so I might close my trade in profit here. I'm gonna do it just because it doesn't look too clean. I'm gonna wait for a higher probability trade, so I'm gonna close my trade with like $100 profit here and wait for a different trade, because I'm not really liking this trade anymore.
Order filled.
So I'm gonna get out, take my profits, and wait for a higher probability trade. Probably wait for this 5-minute candle. All right, again, I'm still bearish, so I mean bullish. Got 1 minute for this 5-minute candle. So now I could take a 5-minute trade here. Put at the low of the fair value gap, 27 high. What is that? 2RR. 2RR trade here. I'm going to do that. I'm going to up my risk a little bit more to half risk now, not cut risk, and I'm going to take that. So we got even if this trade does end up going up much higher, I did the right thing by taking out my trade, because it wasn't the cleanest entry. Not really my model, so there's always another entry. I would be careful shorting right now, BK, just because, one, the markets are very bullish, and we just disrespected so far this hourly SIBI, and we disrespected the displacement on the 4 hour as well as respected a 4-hour BISI. So we have this 5-minute candle here. Hopefully catch a small little trade. But yeah, still waiting. $2.35% on Tesla, up to $304. So we should be good. We'll look for. Let me open up Discord, see if you guys are trying to tell me anything. No, okay, we're good. Took some profit on Tesla 301, bought around 140, 150, next stop 365ish. Nice, my man. Yeah, that thing's going to all-time highs. I'm holding. I'm not taking nothing out. But we're going to probably get a fill here. Just patiently waiting for a little bit of wick in that bissy. Alright, it's also taking 1 minute south side if internal range liquidity. If that does happen.
Order filled.
Okay, I got in a position there. So let's see how price reacts here. Am I on longs? Yes, I am, Bonjo. But this is not full risk. As the looks of it, I'm not going to add extra positions unless we body above consequent encroachment, but it looks like it wants to just trade right past it. Okay, we're back in that 1 minute bissy. I mean, the only chance that I'm going to add the rest of my positions into this trade is if we like show a clear sign of a reversing. But again, that looks like it wants to react off of this 15-minute SIBI. Did not want to go for buy side, which is a high possibility. We got 30 seconds for this 5 minute. Yeah, I might take some partials off, put some positions off, but I want to see where this 1 minute candle closes. Tesla up 2.4%. Nvidia is back down to the negatives. Okay. So that's one cut risk loss, which is okay. Now, on terms of price action now, looking at this 1 hour, it looks like we're going to respect the SIBI. So I may flip my bias. I want to see what 10 a.m. will bring us. But as you can see, that's very ugly on the 1 minute. Let me just show here. It looks like it wants to respect consequent encroachment of that SIBI. So I might flip my bias. Mainly, I just want to see, though, because we're in this 15-minute BISI. Right? So I'm still holding onto my bias for long. I'm not crazy short right now, guys. I mean, this is a good trade. This little short for some sell side. And we did take all-time highs, so you can anticipate that we could retrace a little bit. Even if I was to take this trade, am I comfortable holding to the low of the day for only 2 RR? Maybe I lower it down to this, make it 3 RR. Am I comfortable holding that? Coupled with bullish SMT, there's bearish SMT now. So we may reverse. How much is that? 24. It's just I doesn't really want to. I don't really want to take shorts. Price to me looks too bullish. I don't know if I want to take it. Yeah, it's too bullish, man. See that 15-minute BISI? We'll see, though. We'll see how this candle reacts. Please check it's lagging. I know there's like, you like shorts right now? I mean, yeah. I mean, we could be reacting off of this higher SIBI, but I don't know, man. I mean, we could take it. Honestly, I might take it. It's just, I'm really bullish, bro. And I don't really want to go against it. I'm not going to take a short here. I'm bullish. I kind of want to take a long. But I'm going to wait because I'm hopping in between biases. I want to wait till it's higher probability. I mean, that looks like a clean reaction, but again, markets are very bullish right now. And we have bearish SMT, our bullish SMT. Looking at this, it looks like it's a institutional or full entry drill kind of price action. I might want to take a long here. Measure this out to 14. I'm going to test it.
Order filled.
It's a decent entry, actually. I got a little bit of slip to my favor there. It's great here. It's a good reaction so far. You can see that we inverted that Cibi. Clean reaction onto that BISI. And price tends to be moving higher. I want to see price kind of break this trend though. Bodied above consequent encroachment by the looks of it. Yep. All right, we're good. Got stopped on spread again. It's all good, man. Connection good now? Okay, thank you, bro. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I think the internet guy came and made it worse. I'm telling you guys, this will be fixed very soon. This whole weekend, I'm gonna switch internet providers. Yeah, Andrew Lem. I know. There's like my internet's lagging. The internet guy came and fucked everything up. Okay, we're back into that Cibi. I mean BISI. Which isn't the greatest look, but I still think we could move higher based off of that 15-minute reaction on that BISI. I'm still pretty confident in price moving up higher. Still gonna stay in this long. Going for this high a day. Pretty confident we'll take high a day before low a day. But Lockheed Martin up 2%. It's a little dangerous. Nvidia's pushing up back towards break even. Tesla's at 3% positive. I think we're just waiting for that displacement to the upside. I don't like this consolidation on this Cibi though. I don't like the big wicks to the upside, but it's closing down lower. So I want to see one body just totally disrespect this. On terms of ES is traded into that BISI and it looks like it's going to trade up higher now. ES is the stronger market right now, so you can anticipate that there's going to be SMT. YM as well is also ripping up higher. So NQ is the lower market. It's a little bit lagging, but I think we still have a good possibility of winning this trade. Okay, so Price did body above consequent encroachment, bodied a little bit higher. So again, I'm still pretty confident in this long. I think it's just lagging. It's just taking a little bit of time to move up higher, which is okay. Again, right now we're just failing to displace up higher. But we traded into this inversion, this BPR, and we respected it. So I think 10 a.m. is going to displace up higher. Still not confident in shorts. I'm just not confident in shorts right now. I think we're at a low resistance liquidity run, and I don't want to take any shorts. I don't want to continue failing trying to take shorts. The mistake I made last time when we were selling off really fast was I tried to take longs here. And even though I may have won a few, majority of my wins were from shorts. So I'm going to take longs here, and majority of my wins should be from longs. We're traded back into the SIBI, back into the inversion. But it's looking a little bit like, how do I say this, sensitive. Price is looking sensitive to continue up higher. Well, not so much anymore, but that looks like not a good sign. But again, we could have just pre-10 a.m. manipulation. Pre-10 a.m. manipulation. Price is driving up higher now. I do like how it's not just ripping lower, right? It's still respecting consequent encroachment of the SIBI and the inversion. I mean the BISI and the inversion. Hey Zahid, if it's not your model, don't do it. If it's not part of your plan, do not do it. Zahid. Okay, then don't do it. Lock yourself out, Zahid. Don't, yeah, just lock yourself out. Don't trade. Trust me. So far, it's a decent reaction on that BISI. But again, price is looking a little heavy here. Tesla is ripping up higher though, which is a good look. When those power stocks are ripping up higher, it's a good look that price probably won't rip lower on the NQ.